this video, I will show you how to find internship opportunities on Glassdoor. So what you need to do first is you need to make sure that you are on a verified account. And after you have done that, you will land on this homepage where you will have a bunch of options to get internships and jobs and on and on. So if you want an internship, then what you need to do is you can just go ahead and click on companies. And after you've done that, you will have an option to search for companies where you want to have an internship for. So let's say you want an internship at BlackRock. They're going to search for BlackRock in here, and then you are landing on the page of BlackRock. And then from here, you can just go ahead and add your review or your salary to continue using Glassdoor. So you will need to do that. It is free. And after you've done that, you can just go ahead and continue with Glassdoor. But basically what will happen when you do this is that you will land on this BlackRock page. And here you can see all of the jobs that they are offering at this moment. You can see that in here, it's grayed out right now. You will find salaries, reviews, and basically all of the information you need when you are applying for an internship. So this is a big company, and big companies often use with platforms like Glassdoor for offering internships. They will be listed under jobs, and you can just search for internships over there. Another good way to get an internship is by asking your mentor or your lecturer if he or she knows if there are good internships available close by, because schools are often working and cooperating with companies for you to offer an internship. Anyway, this is how you do it at Glassdoor. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.